Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix Venmo app not working. Hey everyone, today's video I'll show you how to fix the Venmo app when it's not working. First, make sure your internet connection is stable because without it, the app won't respond. If your connection is fine, check if there's an update available by opening the Play Store or App Store, searching for Venmo, and tapping Update if it appears. If that doesn't work, try clearing the app cache by going to your phone settings, selecting apps, finding Venmo, tapping storage, and pressing clear cache. Still facing issues? You can remove the app data in the same menu, which can resolve deeper issues. As a final step, uninstall and reinstall the Venmo app. Once reinstalled, open the app, log in, and it should function properly, getting you back to sending, receiving, and managing your money in no time. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.